Don't just dream of wealth, create it. Build your asset empire. A serious asset is conceived, designed, and built just like a house.
Even before he turned 13, he created ZuckNet, a home computer network designed for his father's dental office in Dobbs Ferry, New York. He wasn't your ordinary teenager. He was fascinated by ancient Greek and Latin. He was the pride of his school's fencing team. But beyond that, there was his eye-opening ability to code. That and his uncanny foresight in seeing that people wanted computers to connect them not just with other computers, but with other people. He came to Harvard as a freshman nearly 15 years ago in the fall of 2002. As a sophomore, he moved into Kirkland House. There he launched the forerunner. There he launched the forerunner of what has grown into the most far-reaching social network on the planet. He left college for Silicon Valley. He dropped the from the Facebook. He combined his technical prowess, his entrepreneurial savvy, and his instincts about social behavior to build Facebook into a global phenomenon, something that is now used by 1.94 billion people worldwide on a regular basis. It is with the greatest of pride, having confirmed that his bills are fully paid, that we welcome back Mark Zuckerberg to at last earn his Harvard degree.
Remarkably young.
I heard of the story of Mark Zuckerberg, the owner of the biggest social media platform in the world, Facebook, who dropped out of school in order to devote more time to building Facebook. He saw it earlier that the Facebook app is an asset and so requires time to build it to a professional standard. So he had to drop out of school to devote adequate time to build it. And now, it is paying off.
In this video, we are building and giving away 100 houses. And each home is going to change a family's life.
Like this family, who didn't have a house to call their own. And they have no idea we just built them one.
Take off your blindfolds and turn around. Behind you is your brand new home. Oh!
Another example is Mr. Beast, the owner of a YouTube channel with the largest subscribers in the world. As at the time of making this video, he had over 309 million subscribers on YouTube. I discovered that Mr. Beast spends millions of dollars just to make one video. The lessons I learned: building a worthwhile asset requires lots of time and money. Let no one deceive you. No serious asset can be built without money or time. The more money and time you invest into your asset, the better and more profitable it becomes. Examples of assets that can be built with time, skills, and money. 1. Real estate properties. 2. YouTube channel. 3. Leads. 4. Social media followers. 5. Business. 6. A mobile app. 7. A website. 8. Creating a viral video on social media, etc. Building any of the above assets is sure to pay you handsomely very soon. Before building an asset, consider building an asset that has the potential for passive income. You may not see this video again if you do not follow us on social media. Subscribe to our channel to learn more. Click the link in the description of this video to learn how to build leads and social media followers using Facebook and Instagram ads.